Asiatic elephants are the largest living land mammal in Asia. Wide-ranging animals, highly social, and move in herds led by a matriarch, the elder mother. Adult males are solitary, but sometimes join groups. They play a crucial role as seed dispersers, habitat modifiers, and food providers in maintaining a forest ecosystem. Elephants need enough food and secured habitats. We have degraded the forest and fragmented their habitats. So, they use corridors, which are strips of lands that connect two large habitats. In that way, the Khana Corridor connects Katarniaghat Wildlife Sanctuary in India to Bardia National Park in Nepal, and the Shikaribas Corridor connects Chitwan and Parsa National Park of Nepal to the Valmiki Tiger Reserve. These corridor lands are being used mainly for agricultural purposes. After the monsoon and during the harvesting season of the crops like paddy and sugarcane, elephants move between the protected areas of Nepal and India to forage on the standing crops. The villages are dominated by the Tharu tribal communities. This recognized ethnic minority have been living in the area for about 600 years and call themselves the people of the forest. Farming is the primary occupation, but they are largely dependent on the use of other natural resources as well. As much of their forest homes replaced by farmlands, elephants come here to feed on crops for their survival, resulting in negative interactions between the elephants and the humans, especially during crop harvesting season from October to January. It leads to human deaths as well as elephants' deaths. Forests are managed by the State Forest Department with local communities. Elephant protection groups have been formed. The Gaj Mitras are functioning. We have encroached their space. We can be a little alert so that accidents can be avoided. Please follow the rules to save ourselves, elephants, and the forest. When the elephant migration happens, use street lights in known elephant movement paths. Do not wander outside the village limits at night. Always stay in a group of 3 to 4 people in the evening instead of loitering alone. Don't surround or scare an elephant in the crop field by throwing or shooting. It can enrage them to attack in turn. Inform the Gajamitra or Elephant Protection Group members or Forest Department staffs immediately. Do not go far from home to attend nature call. Use the built community toilets instead. Do not use illegal power fences as it can kill elephants, other wildlife and also people. Refrain from poisoning the food that elephants may eat, which can lead to a painful death, and it's an offence under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. In conflict times, avoid storing country liquor at home. Elephants have high smelling sense and are often attracted to the smell of it. Use chili powder in stored grains and chili dung cakes in the borderlines of the crop fields to avoid elephant foraging on the crops. Elephants are an integral part of the ecosystem that we live in. It is our duty to conserve space for them to safeguard our future in this planet. Together, we can work to ensure that humans and elephants coexist in a peaceful manner.